Check out the view of Essaouira right now, heading to the beach on a quad bike. Hold me tight, mama. Hold me tight, man. Hold me tight, boy. Let's go! Whoa. Are you guys ready for the adventure? Let's go! Absolutely stunning on the beach. A little break here, and I've come to show you a fisherman who's been living here for 30 years. Just behind me, this is where he has been living for 30 years. I don't know if it's like a tourist thing that they just set it, but beautiful about this is it creates a little silence, and then it creates a little noise when it comes crashing into the rocks.